Hey guys, so I got a little different type of video for you today. So I ended up testing positive on Monday with COVID. So I'm just trying to make some videos while I'm recovering. Wife's got it too. And good thing is we're both vaccinated, so it's not showing as bad as symptoms yet, or hopefully we won't get as bad as symptoms as some people have begun. So I've been off work and I'm just trying to do some things around the house here, and thought I'd show you some projects I've been working on. I'm not going to be able to upload a regular video this week because I don't want to expose my dad to it, and my main computer is at his house, so I'm just trying to upload a quick little update video off my phone. So just bear with me, guys. I'm trying to answer some of the comments on my newest videos and just some random ones that come up that catch my eye. So I hope you understand that. But I want to talk about some videos coming up. The main project I'm working on is this. I think it's a 75 Briggs 5 horsepower. And you can see I welded the block. It's aluminum block because it threw a rod at some point, and it had the original valves in it. That's the original valves that was in it. And I don't want to ruin the main video for that engine, but my dad threw it over the hill at one point, and because he didn't think it was salvageable, which, you know, at the time it wasn't practical to fix something like that. And the sump cover got damaged as well, and I had to weld it. I was testing some orange collars I had on hand, and this one's going to be the match, which is a Chevy orange. So, and the mufflers are sitting here because this is the type of muffler I usually use, the screw-in type. But this engine had the studs, the bolts broke off in the exhaust, so I knew it originally had the box type muffler, so that's what we're going to be putting on it just to keep it somewhat original. I did have to bore the cylinder out. This is a Lao 16,000 cylinder bore hone, and we went to 20 thousandths oversize, and you can see in the cylinder there, turned out pretty good. There's my new set of tools. And so I had to clean up the crankshaft a little bit. Still got to reseat the valves. If these valves don't clean up, then we'll get a new set to put in it. But yeah, just got to clean that up a little bit more and start assembly. If this is the original cover, I'm not 100% sure, then that puts it to a 75. And so that's about all that. And also got to pull the 5 horsepower off the mini bike that I built. This one's got the cam and everything in it. I got the diesel sitting on the mini bike. I done did a test run. I got a kind of a temporary exhaust set up. It's not working the best. I got to adjust the gearing a little bit. I've got 28 miles an hour out of it. There's going to be a whole video on that. It might be a little bit before I get done with that. I'm trying to get these other projects wrapped up. I got 2 more 5 horsepower sitting here. The white one runs good. I mean, it's missing a carburetor right now, but it don't smoke very much at all. It just needs an oil change. You'll probably stop that. This one smokes really bad. I'm going to use it in a video of testing different oil additives just to try to slow the smoke down. So that'll be an interesting video. So back to the bench. There's going to be a video on how to use a chain brake and install master links. There's going to be a video on spark plug thread chasers to clean up spark plug threads. I've already made those videos. Talking about the videos I haven't made yet. There'll be a video on how bearings work. This is a tapered cone bearing, tapered roller bearing, standard ball bearing. There'll be one video on how they work, another video on different types of bearings. This is just here to represent some electrical videos I got coming up. Not exactly sure what I'm going to do with that. And speaking of electric, this is that new electric motor I picked up. Well, it's an old one, but new to me. And it's going to be used in another video showing 120 and 240 volt wirings. I'll use this motor and another motor just to demonstrate different ways they're set up. This is going to be for the green 3-phase motor. It's a weldable pulley. It goes on here. It has to be welded on. There's going to be a whole video talking about advantages and disadvantages of this type of pulley. So that'd be something else I've been putting off for a while I can get done. And a quart of oil sitting here because I want to do a video talking about good oils versus cheap oils, advantages and disadvantages of both, and depend on applications. But yeah, it's just some of the things I got coming up. So just wanted to put a video up. Didn't want to leave you all hanging. I've been putting a video up every 2 weeks, and I just figured I'd try to do this just to fill in the gap that would have been here if I didn't put something up. So that's pretty much it, guys. So thanks for watching, and I'm feeling better every day. I'm recording this video on Thursday, October 14th. So I'm almost a week into this. So I hope I can get back to work here soon. So thanks for watching, guys. Catch you in the next one.